Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting the intro of this dance, we want to be standing towards the back of the dance floor. Leader, you want your follower on your right side, and we'll be linked arms just like this. So follower, make sure your left arm is through your leader's right arm. We're going to wait for 1 or 2 counts before we start making our way onto the dance floor. So we wait 1, 2, we start walking on 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on 7, 8, we're both going to take a step with our outside foot. Leader, that's your left, follower, your right. And then we're going to get into the side-by-side position. So once we're here, follower, you're going to do a 360 spin to get in front of your leader, and leader, you're going to catch your follower's hip. So we're going 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. So breaking down the follower's footwork, getting into that, you want to make sure that you're starting on that left foot. So you go left, right, and then that next left step that you take is going to be pushing all of your weight over to the left side, while leader, you are pushing your weight onto your right side, so we're doing this little peekaboo effect. So as soon as we hit here on 3, then we both switch places on 4. Notice our feet aren't moving, we're just shifting our bodies. And then once we are here, leader, go ahead and give your follower a pull on their right hip to spin them around, and that's clockwise to face each other. So we want to make sure we're facing each other on 5, 6, and then follower, you can do a little knee swivel on 7, 8. There's a little musical cue for you for this, a little guitar riff, and then you're going to just relax your knees, make sure you're staying on your toes. You can let your knees sway from side to side, and also let your hips kind of sway from side to side a little bit. So that'll be on count 7, 8. And once we're finished with this intro, then we are ready to get into our first pattern. A couple notes for my leader during this. You want to make sure that right before your follower comes in to do this little peekaboo, you are giving a pull with this hand, drawing an invisible J in the air, and that's going to help your follower stay close to you and also make sure that we are traveling in this direction. As with that pull, it's going to bring your follower in, and then that spin is going to help keep them close. Once you're here, when your weight is on that outside foot and your follower comes in, just shift it over to that right side. So you don't need to take additional steps. If you feel like you're taking additional steps to get closer to your follower, you may be too far apart in your side by side.